In this lecture, I'm going to show you how to select a website or research for a niche in flippa.com. I'm going to search for Flippa in Google and click on the first suggestion. I'm asked to fill the CAPTCHA. Yes, I have selected all the pizzas images and clicked verify. Yes, this is what the Flippa website is. So you can find a lot of niches available in Flippa and you can get new innovative ideas regarding websites. So click on the established site. You can see many results displayed for you and there are options to filter out the search results. I'm going to select one in status. So you can see here that these niches have been sold for this rate. So I'm going to just take a note of the niches available. You can take clothing as a niche, even frill clothing is a different niche, and the baby website has gone for 65,000. So it is really a good niche. So I'm going to take note of this niche too. Let's see what this website contains. I'll open this in a new tab for you. Even a fast food is a good niche which everyone is interested in. So there are many niches available here. You can get new ideas, refreshing ideas through Flippa. So wow, how beautiful this website looks. There are many options available in this baby website. Get an idea from Flippa and create a beautiful website. And if you are interested in any niche, you can find out the worth of the niche by searching it in the search bar. I'll type mobile right here. Yes, you can see here the search results. I have filtered it as one. Mobile niche has not much worth in Flippa website, but this niche may be valid outside. According to Flippa, mobile has not much value. So I'll again search for baby in this search bar. There are many baby niches available here. Cost of the website varies up and down. So the cost of your website is evaluated through the niche you select. So make sure you use all these resources to select a good niche. You can even select a niche from editor's choice. And there are many niches available even in most active option. So you can find a lot of niches available in Flippa. So if you are not having a basic idea of what niche you are going to create, you can get a very good idea in Flippa. Again, I have shortlisted the search by selecting one. You can see that this particular niche has 345 bids and its value is $85,000. So as I said previously, your niche or website is calculated. The value is calculated based on what niche it depends on and on what niche it is created. So make sure you select a very good niche and build your website to gain more profit. I hope you have understood or got some idea of how to use Flippa to find out your niche or website you are interested in. Gain knowledge from Flippa and create a good website.